I played the tea here. You know, we're waiting for them. You look like them was the Monday from the 50s.
You full of compliments today, but thanks. Thank
You know, me I wonder, me I think about it all day. If you don't want, me you take a local trip next week. You know, like a local vacation.
Sure, that not sound too bad. That sound kind of fun. No
Thing is, me here for come make an excuse, so daddy not get suspicious. Me time say, never take a one girl, but he man will say you.
Well, he might expect me to watch the twins then, so I guess it have to be a day when him there home. But I was telling him that I wanted to go back to school, and he said, "Mo pay for it."
Alright, now we're about to me think our plan. So when I get suspicious and things in me here for around, so me think of someone know about it. Come really want, really someone nice. Like somewhere really nice, just me and you.